Hi everyone. Welcome to our English course. Today, we're going to talk about irregular plurals. We'll cover words like foot and feet, tooth and teeth. Let's get started and make learning fun. As you may know, regular plurals are formed by simply adding an s at the end. Here are some examples. Singular, cat, dog, book, car. Plural, cats, dogs, books, cars. When a word ends with the letter s, we usually add es to form the plural. Here are some examples. Singular, bus, glass, dress, box. Plural, buses, glasses, dresses, boxes. As you may have noticed, when a word ends with s or x, we add es to form the plural. Now, let's look at some examples where the plural form of the word changes completely. Here are a few examples. Singular, man, woman, child, mouse. Plural, men, women, children, mice. Singular, tooth, foot, person, goose. Plural, teeth, feet, people, geese. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, we'll dive into irregular verbs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and engaging English lessons. See you next time.